Good morning, welcome to Lavika classes. Today we are going to discuss some of the important questions on current affairs for the month of November. But before that, please like and subscribe the channel. That will keep us motivated to make more videos like this in future. So let's start the video. So the first question is, which grabbed the best drama series at Emmy Awards 2020? The options are Mismatched, Delhi Crime, Sacred Games or Four More Shots. And the answer is Delhi Crime. The Emmy Award is an American award that is given in the television industry, and 2020 Emmy Award was the 48th international award. Coming to the second question, that is which Indian pharma company to manufacture Sputnik 5 COVID-19 vaccine? Options: Sun Pharma, Lupin, Hetero, or Cipla. And the answer is C. Hetero. As we know, Sputnik 5 COVID 19 vaccine is a Russian vaccine and it is a deal between Hetero and RDIF Sovereign Wealth Fund of Russia. And the production will start in the beginning of the 2020. Next question. Who launched the Indian Climate Change Knowledge Portal? Piyush Goyal, Prakash Javadekar, Narendra Singh Tomar, Ramesh Pokhriyal. Correct answer is B. Prakash Javadekar. The Prakash Javadekar handles the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. Next question. Who laid the foundation for 16 national highway projects in UP? Nitin Gadkari, Dharmendra Pradhan, Ravi Shankar Prasad, Harshvardhan. And the correct answer is Nitin Gadkari. Nitin Gadkari handles the Ministry for Road Transport and Highways, and the total length for the 16 national highway projects in UP will be 1500 kilometers. Next question. The National High Speed Rail Corporation, that is NHSRCL, signed the Mumbai Ahmedabad Bullet Train project with Reliance, Larsen & Toubro, GMR Infrastructure or Hindustan Construction. The answer is Larsen & Toubro, that is L&T. This project was approved by PM Shri Narendra Modi in 2014, and this is the largest project in terms of the worth associated, that is 24,000 crores. Coming to the next question, that is which is the most connected city in the world according to International Air Transport Association? Hong Kong, London, Shanghai or Tokyo? And the correct answer is C, that is Shanghai. Before Shanghai, it was the London, which was the most connected city in the world, and now the air traffic was reduced by 67% at the London airport, and now the second most connected city after Shanghai is Beijing. Coming to the next question, that is which is the first Arab country to generate electricity from coal? Options are Saudi Arabia, Oman, Kuwait or UAE. And the correct answer is UAE. The name of the plant that was used is Hessian, and the capacity of the Hessian will be 600 megawatt. Next question. Constitution Day is celebrated on November 26th, August 15, January 24 or January 26. The correct answer is number 26. This Constitution Day is also known as Samvidhan Divas or National Law Day. It was celebrated to mark the adoption of the Constitution of India in November 26, 1949. Next question. International Day for Elimination of Violence Against Women is celebrated on November 26, November 25, February 6 and October 15. And the correct answer is B, November 25th. This day is marked by the United Nations and it is celebrated to create the awareness that women are subjected to domestic violence, rape or other forms of violence. Next question. Which tiger reserve received TX2 Global Award? Pilibhit, Manas, Similipal, Buxa. The correct answer is Pilibhit. This Pilibhit Tiger Reserve is situated in Uttar Pradesh, and this received the TX2 Global Award for doubling the number of tigers in 4 years. Next question. The name of the China's probe that will bring back rock samples from the moon is Apollo 11, Luna 6, Chang'e 5, Luna 24. The correct answer is Chang'e 5. This probe was launched from Long March 5 carrier rocket, which is the largest carrier rocket of China. Next question. Martyrdom Day of Guru Tegh Bahadur was observed on September 24, November 24, November 4, January 24. And the correct answer is B, November 24. The Guru Tegh Bahadur was the 9th Guru of the Sikhism, who was born in Amritsar and sacrificed his life on November 24, 1965 for the sake of the humanity. Next question. International version of Umang application was launched by Shri Ravi Shankar Prasad on November 23, 2020. Here, what does Umang stands for? And the answer is Unified Mobile Application for New Age Governance. This Umang application will help to take Indian culture to the world, and this application was launched in UK, USA, Australia, Canada, UAE, Netherlands, Singapore and New Zealand. Next question. The National Green Tribunal (NGT) directs states to establish nodal agency to protect ozone layer, environment, water bodies or forest. And the answer is C, water bodies. The headquarters for NGT is located in New Delhi, which was established in 2010. Next question. National Pharmacy Week is celebrated from November 29 to November 23rd to 29, November 16 to 22, November 1 to 7, September 16 to 22. And the correct answer is B, that is November 16 to 22. This was the 59th National Pharmacy Week. The theme of the week was Pharmacist, Frontline Health Professionals. Next question. What was the name of the naval exercise held between Indian and Singapore Navy between 23rd November and 25th November? Simbex, Sampriti, Shakti, Imbex. And the correct answer is A, Simbex. This exercise was held in Andaman Sea. Next question. National Newborn Week was celebrated from November 22nd to 28, November 15 to 21, August 15 to 21, August 22 to 28. And the correct answer is B, November 15 to 21. This week was celebrated for the child survival and development awareness. Next question. Project Kirana, which was launched by MasterCard and USAID, is related to all kinds of entrepreneur, woman entrepreneur, man entrepreneur or startups. And the correct answer is B, woman entrepreneur. This was a 2-year program that was launched in Uttar Pradesh. Next question. Booker Prize 2020 was won by Brandon Taylor, Maja Mengiste, Diana Cook or Douglas Stewart. And the correct answer is D, Douglas Stewart. He won this Booker Prize for his debut novel, that is Soggy Brain. And the last question of the video is last white giraffe of the world was fitted with GPS tracker to keep poachers away. Is found in Kenya, Nigeria, Tanzania or Mali. And the correct answer is A, Kenya. This giraffe was white due to one of the genetic condition known as leucism, which is the loss of pigmentation. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel so that we can make more videos like this in future.